Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Strength King, Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full Family. What's going on, y'all? Listen, as you can see, I ain't one of I'm normally loud when I say the Paid in Full Family, but as you can see over in this bottom right corner, it's 1:29 a.m. All right, and I'm still working, man. So listen, shooting this video right now for MCA associates that are struggling, MCA associates that say, you know what, I need another sponsor, man. How can I get this email? I promise you, every single day. How can I join your team? I'm not getting the proper training. My sponsor just abandoned me. Uh, I need help. I like how you're doing things. I wish I would have joined you. How can I be a part? Here's the thing. MCA is not going to allow you to just switch sponsors, okay? In order to do so, you actually have to cancel for 90 days. I don't ask anyone to do that. Actually, I've had a couple of people that do that. I don't require them to do so. I was like, tell me you don't have to do that, man. There's other ways to go around that, but you got some that just really are upset with the person that they joined, and so they do it. I have a young lady actually want to join me May 10th. She hit me up and said she talked to MCA and they told her she was just checking to see how long she's been out. And she lost count or whatever. And they told her May 10th would be her 90 days and she could join with me. So, that's one way of doing it, but that is the last resort, okay? I do have an alternative, okay? I have several MCA associates on my team right now that have other sponsors, all right? Simply because they didn't receive any training, okay? And so I let them know, the requirements to join my team. And if they agree to the terms, hey, come on, you'd be added to my fully loaded training website. All right, and you're also going to receive my fully loaded training website. You're going to be added to my private Facebook training group. I'm actually inside my secret group right now. Okay, and I just want to show you all, that you actually receive a lot of training from me. Not only do you receive my fully loaded training website, okay, but I train my team weekly, okay, live training. And as you can see, this kind of just going to give you a little. This here, the 3 minutes, the 4 minutes, those are just little quick nuggets that I drop. 26 minutes, actual training. 9 minutes, just a real quick nuggets, okay? As you can see, the title might populate. I thought I just seen it. New week, new money, are you ready? Okay. This was Rise and Grind is closing day. Look at this one. 3 minutes and 53 seconds, focus on closing. Okay. Create your own momentum, 90-day run. Okay, ride this momentum. Okay, second quarter training. It's a lot of 2 minutes, 18 minutes, 11 minutes, 3 minutes. Like this is every week. I'm doing live training. 40 minutes. Okay, I speak a lot on closing, as you can see. ABC, always be closing. This was one of the best trainings I have thus far. I actually downloaded this and actually added it to my training website because this here is helping a lot of people close deals. Okay. Here's a couple of quick tips. I love to train you. I love what I do. I'm immersed in this business and I do it. So as you can see, there's just tons of training. Tons of training. Look at this. 49, 39. Quick tip, 140, 24, 55 seconds, 33, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. I actually have team members that come on and share. Have leaders that come on and speak all the time. Okay. It's just a big team and we love to help each other. We love what we do. Okay, this is one team, one dream. There are no, there's no one person, man. Like there's no egos here. You see all this, man? Like you have a straight dictionary, library full of training. I'm sorry, I went back up. I just want to show you all. It's not a game with me. You got some people that just talk about it, but I'm a team player, okay, and I'm about my team. All right, so just because you picked the wrong sponsor. Hey, so what? All right, don't give up. Don't give up. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, you in business now. When I joined initially in MCA, I didn't join the right sponsor either. No, but I didn't give up. I started out training. I started making investments. I started bettering myself. I said, I joined this business for a reason. I didn't join this business because of the sponsor. I joined this business because I had a why. And there's some things I needed to get done. All right. Now I'm full-time from home. I've been full-time for the past 2 years. I got back involved with MCA back in 2013. Okay. And I just didn't give up. You see someone liking my video right there in the right-hand corner. This is a lifestyle video I had over the weekend, man. You're all about to see a YouTube video for that here shortly. I hadn't even shot it yet, but I had put up some stuff Facebook because I went live. But anyway, yeah, man, I didn't give up. I invested in myself, man. I figured this thing out. All right, I invested in mentors. All right, I always share this story because it shows you how serious I was about my business. Okay, I spent $100 with a guy for an hour conversation. Okay, he charged me $100. He said, "I'll give you some game. It's gonna cost you though." All right, he was like, the game is to be sold, not told. I understood that, and I knew he was someone that had some information that I needed. Now, after talking to him, I only actually gained one jewel because I've been doing so much research. Everything he was telling me, I already knew. It was only one thing that he told me out of the entire conversation that I gained from. Okay, that's been helping me. So out of that one jewel, okay, for the $100 for the hour conversation was one thing that he taught me. Everything else I already knew because I'm immersed in this business and I'm reaching out to different leaders. Okay, I have a lot of different mentors that don't know they're my mentors because of YouTube. You have so many people that you can look up to in this industry, not just MCA, but in this industry of network marketing, of direct sales, man, that you can really become an expert. I don't want to say guru. I don't like people say, man, you becoming a guru. I'm not a guru, man. I'm a sponge. I'm continuing to learn, and that's how we're getting better. All right. I want to show you all something real quick, man. And I'm gonna get off of here. Just want to let you all know that we definitely have help, but okay, just some stuff that happened today. Okay. To show you all, it's not a game. Okay, 1 second. Hold on. It normally pops up to so I can scroll it down here. Give me just a second. I don't see the cursor. I'm on the laptop. I don't want to cooperate, but I want to show you all something real quick. Okay, let's I guess we're gonna have to pull up the entire messenger. Since I don't want to scroll down. Yes, I'll show you. So I'll show you all something real quick. This just happened today. Well, actually, yesterday I hadn't been asleep yet, so it's just seemed all. It feel like it's all happening all in one day, but it's actually a new day. Today is actually now Wednesday. It's 1:36 a.m. But I've been up at it, man. Did y'all hear that? Cha-ching at 1:36 a.m. I got people coming in trying to join me in the business late at night, man. I show my Facebook audience all the time the different leads I get throughout the night, and so it's just big business going on, man. You can see this one here. Someone she's actually about to purchase the training, as a matter of fact, that I talked to today. But that's not what I want to show you all. I want to show you all some of this training, man, that people are just getting so flabbergasted by. Man, they're in awe of what's going on. So here goes one. This was Tuesday. A guy hit me up today. He said, "Hey, sponsor, I've never had this many leads. I love it." And I just said, "Good job, bro. Let's get them closed." That type of stuff sticks out. I have so many of these that come through all the time, but it just stuck out to me today. And I want to share one more with you. He just joined us. Okay. Look what he has to say. Say, bro, I've been looking at the training that you're giving us, and there's no way we shouldn't win. Glad I finally got on board. Getting the laptop soon. Just think I can move faster. Again, man, thanks for all the info, bro. You're welcome, bro. Happy to have you on board. It's stuff like that, man, that we're doing, man, that's allowing us to win and win big. Okay, so listen, here's the thing. If you are in MCA right now, okay, you're not receiving the training and support that you believe that you should have, okay, inbox me. Okay, I'm sorry, not inbox me. I'm looking at Facebook, so I'm thinking I'm on Facebook. Email me. My email is below. workwiththewilliams, okay, at gmail.com. Send me an email and let me know, what you want to do, and I'll give you some information and see, if this is a good fit for you. Okay, and it's either for you or it's not. All right, I'm just extending a helping hand because I know there are a lot of people in MCA struggling. There are a lot of successful people too, but there are a lot of struggling people also. And I know this because, like I said, I receive an email every single day. And so just want to let you all know that I definitely do extend a helping hand. When you join my team through getting the training, you become a paid in full member. So anyone that you personally sponsor going forward, you bring them onto the team for free. All right, you bring them onto the team for free because you made the initial investment. So let me know if there's something you want to do. Okay, it's all like I said. You join the sponsor that isn't helping you. Okay, boom. There's no reason to cry about it now. You got to put on your business hat and say, you know what, I'm going to figure this thing out. I'm not giving up, because I didn't join because of my sponsor. I joined because I had a need. I joined because I had a want. Okay, so whatever it is that you need, whatever that you want, you're going to have to figure it out so you can make those things happen. You dig what I'm saying? You're going to have to make these things happen. It's not just going to happen for you just because. Okay, and you cannot blame your sponsor at the end of the day. There's some sponsors out here that's just, man, they're out here for the sale, man. It's sad, you know, but you all need to do your research more. Don't go for the flash of the cash all the time, man. It's okay. Like my sponsor, he flash cash, you know, but he actually provides training, okay? But there's some out here that flash the cash, and there's no training at all, man. They just in for the sale. You got to be aware of that, you know. So you need to do your research, man, and figure out who you're getting involved with before you get involved with them. My track record speaks for itself. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go through my videos, and you'll see that I'm giving more value than I am flashing cash. I flash cash before. I mean, who doesn't? You know, every now and then that motivates people sometimes. Okay, but I give more value than anything. You can believe that. Okay, and I'm 100% behind my team. So with that being said, man, I'm about to get off of here. I don't want to wake up my 1-year-old, as you can hear. She's coughing now, so I'm finna get out for her, man. It's 1:40 a.m. I'm still up grinding, man. It's the reason why we successful, because we don't sleep. You know, we out here. We getting to the money, man. We getting to the money, man. But we hustling. And when you get aboard of my team, I'm gonna teach you the same exact way. All right, how to hustle and how to grind smart, not hard, using the smartphone. And if you're looking to get into MCA, all right, you're looking at this for the first time, you just being nosy, you're doing your research, like, oh, let me see what's going on here. It happens, okay? You may be doing your research. You may have seen a couple people. Do your research, all right? But I'm going to tell you like this is my video. I'm the team. I'm the man for you. And we the team for you, all right? So get involved. My link going to be below to join the team as well, www.paidinfull.biz. You're looking to join MCA, you already know. It's only $39.90 to get started. That covers your first and last month of the membership. After that, it's $19.95 a month, okay? Unlimited Roadside Assistance Company, Motor Club of America, all right? One of the best opportunities in the land. Okay, it's a no-brainer opportunity. Doesn't cost, it costs pennies, man. Anytime you can get a business for under $100 and you can make a 200% commission, it's a no-brainer. You know, it's not something to just talk about and just, you know, beg someone to try to join, man. Either you can do it or you're not. All right, and that's the reason why I love this business, because it's simple to explain, simple to talk to, and I can show you how to get it done, man. Show you how you can get sales every single week. And you can be doing this business full-time from home if you choose, but you're going to have to be willing to put in the work. All right, man, I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for always dropping in, listening to my content. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell so you get notified as soon as I drop a video, because I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos this second quarter, getting ready and amped up for the summer, going into the third and the fourth, and just doing what we do, man, making 2018 one of the best years yet. Okay, one of the best years thus far, because it's only going to get better. See y'all on the next video.